Lifted Van Meet, March 2025. Here are the people so far. Someone keeps leaving me a White Van Mafia comment. Well, look at what we have right now. Where are you at, man? White Van Mafia comment guy. This guy right here, he has a Ford Parts One spacer lift, and he kept leaving me comments, White Van Mafia. Why are you playing your music, dude? Now I can't go close to your van. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for this 4 seconds. Who is this guy right here? What comment did you keep leaving me, man?
White Van Mafia, baby.
And what's up with this music?
Hey, that's White Van Mafia music, man.
I'm gonna get copyrighted though, man.
Done.
So I had to show you.
You got 8 seconds or less, you're good.
4 seconds. You'll see 4 seconds. You'll see 4 seconds of your van.
Your girl says she only lasts 3, so.
Man, some guys have all the luck. 3 seconds. This guy got his own video at the start of the meet. Now let's look at his van. Some guy kept leaving me White Van Mafia about to go down comments. So I called him out in my last video, or I don't know if this is gonna be the next video after that, but I called him out in one of my videos and I said, where are you at, man? I arrived at Flying J and he was there. So everyone wants to glorify sleeping in a van. How did you do, sir?
Not good. The older you get, the worse it's to sleep in these small vans. I need a high top.
There needs a high top. Everyone I went to, how'd you sleep? I slept great. Survey was good. How'd you sleep, man? It was horrible. But hey, now you know what you need, man.
Exactly. Need a lift, need a high top, need sick add-ons.
Priorities though, man. The lift is cool. You got a Ford Parts One. This has a Ford Parts One on it. He has the Sebastian story. Sebastian had a RTZ spacer lift and he was parking next to F-250s. Say, man, look how big my van is. Then he pulled up next to me and Larry. Says he needs a bigger lift, and this guy feels the same now, right?
That's right. I thought I was big until I rolled in last night. And now I'm small fish.
That still looks good though, man. Hey, priorities, man. You might have to do the tall roof first, man. Here you go, man. Mr. White Van Mafia. See, I tell everyone, I give them my number. I'll say, just when you text me, just say White Van Mafia. I'll know who you are. That's how I remember you guys. Right on, man.